Mother's Day is an occasion to express love and appreciation for the most important woman in our lives. A handmade pebble painting will be a gift that is not only unique but also filled with heartfelt emotions. Each carefully chosen and skillfully arranged pebble will create a meaningful and heartfelt gift. Without further ado, let's get started on this special gift to send your loving messages to your mother on this meaningful day. Here, with the size of 9 by 9 inch, I've designed a border to make cutting easier. Carefully trim off the excess paper. To enhance the appearance of the frame, we'll use a suitable background frame matching the template size. And of course, we can't forget the pebbles. Prepare 4 stones of suitable sizes. In addition, there are 2 wooden heart shapes of different sizes to make the painting more lively and vibrant. Once you're happy with the arrangement, use glue to fix them in place. Next, use an oil-based marker to complete the painting. When you visit our store, the quotes inside the painting and the colors can be customized to your liking. After waiting for the glue to dry, we'll frame the painting and complete it. And there you have it, a beautiful and meaningful painting completed. See you again with our next creations.